Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Aadhaar must be linked, and you need the mobile number you want to register in hand. Once done, open Kotak 811 app and log in with MPIN or password. This secures your session. Make sure notifications are enabled so OTPs arrive. If your Aadhaar mobile differs, select alternate verification flow. Otherwise, proceed immediately to change request. This gets you to the account settings where the process starts, fast and secure. Once in settings, select Update Mobile Number and choose Aadhaar or OTP verification. You pick Aadhaar if your biometric or linked number is different. Enter the new mobile number exactly, then request OTP, wait for it, and input promptly. After OTP verification, the app shows a confirmation and a reference ID. Jot it down. Make sure to review the displayed number before confirming, because this step writes the change into Kotak systems and triggers backend update procedure. You finish by confirming the success message and saving the reference ID. This proves the change request completed. If the mobile number still shows old details, log out and back in, then check profile after a few minutes. If OTP repeatedly fails, try again after 5 minutes or switch to Aadhaar verification. Make sure network and SMS permissions are enabled. If digital routes fail, go to a branch with original Aadhaar and a valid ID to complete the update in person.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.